obedience to the law of commitment. His mindset is a result of the law of mental equivalence, which says that your outer world is a reflection of your mindset, or what is happening around you is equivalent to the dominant thoughts in your mind. He always saw himself as the best, and so he trained like the best. In multiple interviews, he said, I believe I am the best, and so I train like the best. And some will say, oh, he's been arrogant and proud. No. Lionel Messi also believes he's the best and trains like the best. Michael Jordan believed he was the best and trained like the best. LeBron James believed he was the best and trained like the best. Kobe Bryant believed he was the best and trained like the best. Linford Christie believed he was the best and trained like the best. Usain Bolt believed he was the best and trained like the best. Steve Wynn believed he was the best and did real estate like the best. Notably known as the King of Las Vegas. You see, when you believe you are the best, it's not just bragging. It becomes bragging when you don't train and practice like the best. But when you are practicing like the best and you are producing results like the best, it is no longer bragging. Bragging is talking about things you can't do. But when you are actually accomplishing the results, it's not bragging. When you tell someone I can run 100 meters in less than 10 seconds and you run 100 meters in 8 seconds, that's not bragging. But if you tell someone I can run 100 meters in 10 seconds and then you run 100 meters in 15 seconds, you are bragging. Because you can't do what your mouth says. There are many who talk the talk but don't walk the walk because they don't obey the laws of success. There are many people who claim, I'll be a millionaire in 1 year's time. I'll be a millionaire a year by this time. I'll be a billionaire. I'm the next business icon. And yet, they wake up and straight to their phone. And they scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. By the time they realize, it's 4 p.m. and they've done nothing for the past 8-9 hours. Who are you kidding? Do you think that by joking around, toying with your life, success will just slap you in the face one day? Oh no, it doesn't work like that. Ask my friend Craig Featherstone of Featherstone, London, whether it was easy obeying the laws of submission and staying under a master tailor, a bespoke tailor designer for 14 years. Ask him if it was easy. It required pain, suffering, persistence, effort, high standards. So I'm not surprised that he's succeeding. And I know that he's going to succeed. I know that Featherstone London will become a global brand. I know it. Because he has paid the price of acquiring the skill. And now he's applying the skill to his business. Now listen to me. If you don't obey the laws of success, forget about your chances of succeeding. And one of the most easiest laws of success to obey is the law of punctuality, showing up on time wherever you go. Another easy law is the law of commitment. When you are doing something, commit yourself to it. When you are at work, commit yourself to it. When you're with your family, commit yourself to your family. If you are reading a book, commit yourself to reading the book. Mastering the Game is going to be released on October 7th. This is a mock-up of the hard copy.